destination modified video. I know that this will be the first time I've seen it since the reveal, I think. Like, another video on this, that is. So, it's not changed at all. It's got dirtier. But we just ordered wide body. I'm excited. Legit. Nah, so I ordered wide, well, got all the fenders and everything coming for it, the wide arches and that for it. And then we're going to, I'm not really stuck to like one brand, if that makes sense. I'm doing like basically, there's 2 or 3 different styles of stuff I like. So like there's a certain front end of a kit I like, there's a certain rear end of a kit I like, and there's a certain like the arch that I like. So basically it's going to be like an array of different kits. That's a way to say it, innit? And basically it's going to be a case of we have to mould it to basically make them all fit together, and then I think it'll just be a bit of like won't be like massively one off, because 350s are that old mill that everyone's on a wide body that under them in a different variety and stuff, but it will be a one off, I reckon, in a certain way, so it should be pretty sick. Obviously it's going to be all built by me, the helper, used to. Can't really see Callum.
Mainly that guy.
Yeah, you know who he is. And then, so it should be pretty sick. So today, what we're going to basically try and do is a quick kind of rundown on basically stripping it down. So we're going to strip like the whole front. It's going to probably take months for this stuff to come in it. Probably. I don't know why we should have done today. I'll probably forget wherever it goes. But basically, we're just going to strip the whole front end down. Well, front bumper everything off, lights and everything else, they're all going to be renewed and everything off. So lights off, rear bumper, rear lights, all the side struts, all the kind of inner arch liners. We'll keep the wheels that on it, because obviously I can't keep it under the ramp for that long. It's going to deal with it, of course. So anyway, right, we just have to, it's basically like a build series, is it? We're going to do like a kind of small build series on it type thing. Build in 10 minutes. Takes 10 years. That's what it is. But aye, so we'll go from there.
What lane switch? What are you doing?
I got it, don't worry. Look at that fine quality of a man. Haven't you seen the hands a minute?
Bro, it's no getting in. I've just done the other 2, absolutely sound, and now I can't get this one.
There's Mark. Oh, fuck.
They're not breaking though.
I mean,
am I getting the right bit?
Oh, I'm cooking my gas today, hey.
Oh, there we go.
oh, there we go. Oh,
It's
cooking.
It's filled in the hole.
Go on, Cal, you got it, bro.
I done 3 faster than you, bro.
Oh, wow, you're so strong.
I need a wee light, Callum.
Go on, big one. One big, go on, lever.
I don't know what to send it to nearly Martin.
Don't worry about Matt.
Ah!
Yes, indeed.
Matt, look at the state of that torch, man.
Easy game.
Easy.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about
Just some lovely duct tape. We take those.
Show them the car, Calvin. So the car's got that left.
It's looking a bit bare-like.
So, what's this? Just a wee update bit in the middle, is it? Cushy. So we've got obviously front end off, as you can see. Bumper, lights, all like inner arch liners. These are actually all loose ready. The side struts are all loose ready to come off, but I can't get them off because I may have trapped it under the old ramp leg. Anyway, I started doing all underside as well. Like started taking all the under trays and everything off, which is behind you. And what else have we done, boys? Oh, took all the main braces and everything off, and we're going to take this exhaust off because we shall make a new one. And this one's dog shit. It's got holes in it here, it's got holes here, it's got a fair bit to it that's wrong. Anyway, we're going to change all these anyway, same as the cats and everything and stuff like that. Like, I think they are, well, I don't even know, but I'm pretty sure they've been knocked out, or like, if they are there, they're not doing much. But who knows? Because second hand, baby. But we'll change let's take all this off, so we'll do a little thing on that quickly and then get this off, and then we'll start taking all the back end off. And then I think that'll be us for tonight. Lads?
Thank f you, Mark.
That's it, like. That's it.
Long day.
I'm sick of your company and all. Now we'll do that, I think. We'll put the wheels back on just so we can roll it in and out if we need to. But aye, and then it'll be a case of taking all the rear axle and everything out. Rear axle, definitely everything's going to come out. The whole, everything that's basically here, all the front frame, everything's going to come out and everything as well, all the arms and whatever, they're all going to get replaced, but I want to get it as best I can. This one here's got a wee hole in it, look at this fella.
Yeah, this is pretty bad.
Maybe kind of like, I don't know what it's called, it's like a kidney brace or something. I don't know if that's the kidney brace and that. We'll just say
that is a hole.
The pelvis. That's the kidney brace there, I think. Anyway, these are bad for going, so you can buy them like from Nissan, like straight. Or well, I'm actually going to buy them through Torkin. Aye, I'll buy them through them, which, or by me actually. I could just buy them through my website. I don't know why I didn't see that. Anyway, I'll just buy them and I'll get them in and Callum, 5 you at the top, and then that'll be alright. But we'll change them ones. I might just get a new one of them as well, and I'll probably get a new front one, and then all this axle and stuff like that, which is aluminium, so it's fine. But I'll just get it all blasted back, powder coated, and then all little bits that come off, like these arms. I was going to replace these with toe arms, but I'm now going to go with airlift, so I've got to now keep these. So, car is officially stripped, exhaust is off. Look at that weld. What a lane. You know what I mean? That's B&R's competition. Anyway, aye, so it's all stripped, as you can see. Everything's through the back now, all the undertrays. We took all the undertrays and everything off as well. Took all like little brackets, what have you. Side skirts and everything off now. Bumpers, rear bumpers off. What else?
Lights.
Rear tail lights, aye. Rear tail lights, just the tail lights, mate. Everything's off, and the spacers, look at that. Look at that fitment. That fitment through. Oh yeah.
Wild.
Where is it? Where's that wheel? There she is.
Nice.
Aye, so now we've just got to wait for a patch, but in the meantime we're going to start doing like the underside in terms of getting the rear axle and everything out, all the front frames and everything, and then cleaning it all up, making it cushy, and then giving it a proper seal, and gonna like paint all the underside and then get all like the frames and powder coated and what have you. Don't know if I'm gonna go like a mad colour underneath or just like normal, because it's not really going to be that sort of kind of thing. But I just want to know for my own peace of mind that the car is going to be solid, and then everything else on the exterior sides, like it's not just been a waste of time. Anyway, and then so hopefully you've enjoyed it as much as you can enjoy it. I always feel there's not much to enjoy really. Don't know why I do it. Anyway, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you don't mind. That's a bit of a weird one, isn't it? That's a bit weird. Mark, tell them.
Like, comment, subscribe, wee bell icon for the next video.
Sweet mate. Alright, thanks.
Say
Jolly.
There we go.